What if you found a new treatment for a disease, or invented a new process for sustainable production? Breakthroughs in the life sciences can be of enormous value. But how do you bring such an invention to the market? The Venture Challenge helps scientists with entrepreneurial aspirations to translate their invention into a solid business case. In a team-based workshop and coaching track, they will be challenged by experts from the perspective of potential customers, investors, and competitors. This results in a solid plan and well-trained pitch aimed at obtaining funds from early-stage investors or government grants like the Life Sciences Pre-Seed Grant. This way, the Venture Challenge offers an invaluable ticket to the Dutch life sciences sector. Since the start in 2008, nearly 60 teams have participated in the Venture Challenge. 12 of these projects were awarded a pre-seed grant, 25 teams established a company, and 5 of them already secured venture capital. One of the companies is Night Balance. They found a way to help people with obstructive sleep apnea, which leads to excessive daytime fatigue and to severe health problems like high blood pressure or strokes. Night Balance developed an intelligent sensor system that helps apnea patients to sleep in the right position, which avoids apneas from occurring. Another company, Waste2Chemical, provides a sustainable and profitable solution to convert organic waste or residues into high added-value chemicals. The chemicals are used in lubricants, additives, and cosmetics. Their process could replace current resources being fossil or food-based vegetable oils. The Venture Challenge is part of the startup program Life Sciences at Work. This program contains coaching, training, financing, and networking, bringing together the knowledge, expertise, and experience of past, present, and future. Life Sciences at Work and the Venture Challenge are building tomorrow's life sciences companies today.